Hello ladies, and today I am going to show you how to apply lashes. But before applying lashes, I'm going to show you what you actually need to achieve your goal. So, you want to make sure that you find a pair of lashes that you're comfortable with wearing. So today I chose the 3D I Envy lightweight lashes. I'm using Ardell adhesive glue, and I have a pair of tweezers here, and that's kind of your preference if you want to put your lashes on with tweezers or if you just want to use your hand. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, ladies, so we've talked about what you would need to do your lashes, so I'll go over it again. So in order to achieve a good lash, you need to find a pair of lashes that work well for you. So lashes range from a natural look all the way to super extreme. So you would probably have to try out a different pair of lashes to see which ones that you would like best. And you can kind of switch your lashes up depending on the type of event that you're going to, so you don't always have to do the same thing all the time. Makeup has no rules, so have fun with it. So again, you need your lashes. You would need a good adhesive glue and some tweezers, or you could use your hand to put on your lashes. So once you've put on your glue on your lashes, you want to make sure that it get nice and tacky, and then you're going to go ahead and apply, just like so. And a lot of people say, oh, I have a hard time getting my lashes on, but most times people are rushing and you're not waiting for the glue to get tacky enough to put it on there. Once it's tacky, it goes right on. And I just push mine in with my hand. And voila, the lash is on. And you achieved your goal. And it's adhered to your lid and not to your natural lash. And that's one of the most important things. Make sure that when you put it on your lash, that you're not putting into your natural hairs on your lid. So make sure that it's going on to your actual lid. So that's all I have for you guys today. I want to thank you for visiting my channel. Please like, share, and subscribe, and make sure that you hit the bell so that you can get notifications whenever I go live. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys really soon. Bye.